Hi friends, in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert a decimal number to octal. You already know, a number is represented in decimal using digits 0 to 9. While octal can be represented using digits 0 to 7. So here, you can see the question, I will convert the decimal number 41 to octal. Kindly write down the number 41. Here you know, the base of octal is 8. I will divide the number 41 by 8. Kindly write down the quotient below, which is 5, and remainder in the right side, which is 1. Again divide the number by 8, write down the quotient below, which is 0, and the remainder 5. Repeat the process till quotient reach to 0. In the remainder section, write down the digit first, from bottom to top. So, 51 will be our final value in octal. Let's take another example. We have decimal number 0.342. Then, I will show you how to convert it to octal. Kindly write down the given number below. As you know, the base of octal is 8. I will multiply the number by 8. Then result will be 2.636. Then, I will write coefficient of the resultant number, which is 2, in the right side. Now, write down the remaining digit, 0.636, multiply it by 8. Write down the coefficient, 5. Again, write down the remaining digit, 0.088, and multiply it by 8. Write down the coefficient, 0. Repeat this process till the number reached close to 0. In the coefficient section, kindly write down the digit first, from top to bottom. So, required octal digit will be 250. Put decimal or point before the digit. So, 0.250 will be our final answer. Watch next tutorial to learn how to convert decimal to hexadecimal.